Hi guys, Grandad's Postbag for the 10th of August. This one's come from China. Oh, I can't pronounce that. Toy accessories it says. Oh, Hong Kong post. Kowloon, Hong Kong. Okay, came from Hong Kong, not China. No, can't read what any of that says. Got a fair idea what it is. Yep, some more leads for the batteries. Seem to have used quite a few of these lately. Connecting up the LiPo batteries. Both the male and the female ends. A set of 5 of each, or 5 pairs. So, there we go. That'll just go into my stock, I think, because I seem to be using quite a few of them.